Today we are going to cook traditional Czech food, popular and delicious beef sirloin with cream sauce. Let me know in the comment how you liked this video. So, let's start. Chop the carrot, celery, and parsley into pieces so that you can then stew it. You can easily chop the onion coarsely. It is not necessary to finely chop it, as we will fry it, stew it, and finally mix it together with the vegetables. Cut the bacon into small pieces. We will fry it together with the onion. Heat the oil in a pan over high heat. Fry the meat at a high temperature on all sides so that it shrinks nicely. Grandma Rose forgot that the meat should be salted and seasoned before frying, so she fried the salted and seasoned meat one more time. Put the fried and nicely shrinked meat into the pressure cooker, where it will be steamed together with the vegetables to make it nicely soft. Now it's time to fry the onion and bacon together until soft. Then add the chopped vegetables and simmer it all together for about 10 minutes, stirring occasionally. You can also cover it with the beef broth that you prepared in advance. Add the sweet pepper and simmer for a while. You can find the exact amounts of all ingredients in the video description. Now it's time to add the steamed vegetables to the pressure cooker with the meat. Before stewing, add the bay leaf and allspice. Of course, don't forget to add salt. Pour beef broth over the whole meat and vegetables, close the lid, and stew the meat and vegetables in a pressure cooker for 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, remove the meat and put it aside. Thoroughly blend the vegetables into a mush with a blender. Do not forget to remove the bay leaf before mixing. If you like this recipe, give it a like and don't forget to add a comment. When the vegetables are thoroughly blended, add the cooking cream and sour cream and mix. If necessary, you can dilute the sauce with beef broth. Let's flavor this great dish even more. Add granulated sugar and a little mustard, and don't forget to stir. We are not at the end yet. Add more lemon juice, and at the very end add the butter, which softens the sauce nicely. Stir it properly, let it boil for a minute. And the delicious, soft creamy sauce is done. Let's serve. Cut the meat into thin slices. Look how well it's steamed in the pressure cooker, that it falls apart when cut. This traditional dish is served with dumplings. Enjoy, and don't forget to subscribe.